Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark and the Geek benchmark scores between both the phones Realme X2 versus the Honor 9X device. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, Tech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting reviews and tips and tricks and comparison videos similarly like this. So let me show you the playlist. Here you can see the playlist of the Realme X2 device. So where you can find in the description for the playlist of this Realme X2. So even you can find a lot of different tests which I did on the phone. So before deciding to whether to buy the phone or not, I will suggest you to go through the videos. So even I did a lot of videos on the Honor 9X as well. As you can see, 60 videos which I did on the Honor 9X. So very soon the Honor 9X will be launching in India, but I cannot give the exact date when it will launch. So first let me show you exactly what variants I am using in both the phones and what processor both the phones are having, because both the phones are having the different processor. So the Realme X2 has a 8GB RAM and 128GB variant which has a Snapdragon 730G processor, whereas the Honor 9X device has the Kirin 810 processor and 6GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage, as you can see here. So both the processors are very different. And now let me open the antutu benchmark and compare the scores side by side. So you'll get a clear idea which phone is better in terms of the antutu benchmark results. So here you can see the antutu benchmark score which I did right now. So you can compare the scores with the Honor 9X phone. So in terms of the antutu benchmark, sometimes I am getting a little bit of higher scores in the Realme X2, that is close to 260. So let me open the video which I did the antutu benchmark test on the Realme X2 phone. So you'll get a clear idea what is the score at the time of doing this video. Scores with the Honor 9X. So let me compare the score. As you can see exactly here, 2,65,687. This is a score which got in the Realme X2 device, but right now I got just 2,20,000. So these are tests which varies multiple times, but overall in terms of the antutu benchmark, the Realme X2 is a clear winner. So now let me get back to the Geek benchmark application. So where even I can compare the scores side by side. So let me open the Geek benchmark in Realme X2 and go through the history. So in the history you can find the previously done test. So you can compare here clearly the single score. The Honor 9X is pretty low, whereas the Realme X is pretty high, as you can see, even with the multi-core as well. So overall in terms of the benchmark, I definitely feel the Realme X2 is a clear winner. Here you can see in terms of the numbers. So definitely I'll be doing a lot of other comparison in terms of the PUBG gameplay and heating test and a lot of other tests, battery tests with both the phones. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the playlist also for the Realme X2 device. So you'll find a lot of useful videos in the future. See you in the next video guys. Bye.